dear Viber Wine customers, I am Emma Campagnola. I'm the 6th generation of winemaker in my family company called San Rustico. I'm here in our vineyards in Marano di Valpolicella, in the heart of Valpolicella Classico. We are in Veneto, near Verona and the Garda Lake. We have a long tradition in winemaking since the company was founded in 1870. Our vineyards, as you can see, are all cultivated with this typical system that is called the Pergola Veronese, and we use just the classic grapes of Valpolicella, so Corvina, Rondinella and Molinara. In September we start the harvest with the hand selection of the best grapes used for the production of our Amarone. The best selected grapes are directly laid down either on racks or mat, and then we keep them drying for about 3 months. Then in January we make a soft pressing and the fermentation starts. After that we refined and aged this wine partly in big Slavonia and Allier tank and partly in a medium toasted tonneau. This is how our Amarone came to life. It has a deep garnet red color, ethereal, light spicy with the sensation of almond, cherry and dry plums. It's a warm wine, full-bodied with the velvety aftertaste. The vintage 2017 is particularly rich in color and tannins and has a good acidity that can give the wine a longer life. So this is it. I hope you enjoy it and bye.